In this video, I'm going to show you how to see open snaps again on Snapchat. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up Snapchat app, then right here at the top left hand corner, hit at your profile picture or at your Bitmoji. Then right there, tap at gear icon to open up settings, and on settings scroll down to the very bottom where you can easily find my data feature. Just get into it. It will ask you to enter your username and password to verify that it's you, and then you can just hit at log in, and on the next step you will be able to download all your Snapchat data, including all of your snaps, even deleted or opened ones. Write down in the comments below if it helps you or not, and don't forget to like and subscribe.